Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can blur the image background in Adobe Lightroom in 2026. So let us get started. So head over to your image on or photo on Lightroom. I will go with that one here depicting that cute puppy sitting on a meadow or with that grass in the background, and I would like to blur the grass here. So this is how you can do it. First guys, what you want to do is create a new mask by selecting the masking tool here and select the object or part of your image you would like to mask. I will go with subject, which in this case here is our cute puppy. Wait for a brief moment so that Lightroom may capture it, and there you go. As you can see, our first mask refers to that puppy here. So what you want to do is invert the mask because we want to blur the background, basically not the subject here. So what you want to do is click into these three dots next to mask 1 and select invert mask 1, and now the background is selected or highlighted, as you can see. And now we can continue with the blurring settings below. So what you want to do is scroll down and find the texture settings under effects. If you don't see it, expand it under effects and move the texture slider to the very left. Do the same with clarity below, and then also expand the detail settings and move the sharpness slider to the very left. You may also play with the noise reduction, however that's optional, so find your preferred setup. And in the final step guys, you may also adjust the amount of your mask by moving the slider to the left or to the right. If you move it to the right, the blurring effect will intensify, as you can see, while keeping the masked subject sharp. And that's how it works. That's how it works in 2026 on Lightroom, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.